Have you ever craved that soft, nutty, soul-satisfying delight called Danbun Fura? Well, get ready to learn how to turn simple grains into another delicacy that melts in your mouth and fills your belly. Now get your millet, guinea corn or maize. I'm using impaled millet, okay? Add spices to your taste. I added pepper, I added dried coconuts, I added ginger, I added cloves, I added a little bit of sweet potato. It all depends on you. Grind it into a soft powder, okay? No lumps. You want it soft as if it's baby powder. Now in a white bowl, sprinkle a little bit of water into it. Just enough water to make it crumbly, not soggy. Okay, we don't want it. Don't make it to look like porridge. Add just enough water to be able to roll it into balls. You're not actually rolling it with your hand, just mixing it round. It will form balls. Okay. Now in another pot, pour in your clean water. Then get a sieve. You can use a sieve. You can use an iron mesh. Just whatever it's okay for you, but I have a sieve, that's what I'm using. Now line it with plastic just as you saw me do. Okay, if you have something more, let me say, eco-friendly, you can use, but this one is practical for me. Okay, now these balls that you made, sprinkle them, pour them, don't compact them, just pour them loosely on top. And when you're molding this, don't mold it with your hand. We don't want it too tight, we want it loose so that the steam will be able to penetrate and cook it properly for you. Now put it on fire, cover it up and allow it to steam for about 5 to 10 minutes. Depending on the quantity you're making. Okay, cover it and always taste it in between. You will know it's done when the color have changed and it is not tasting gritty in your mouth. It is smooth when you bite it. Now that same pot, I'm making mine with soya beans and tiger nut milk. If you're using it with yogurt, you need to skip this part. Okay, you just get your yogurt, but I want to use soya beans and tiger nuts, okay, as my milk. So I've already grinded my soya beans and my tiger nuts together and sieved them, and into this also I still added my coconut, I still added my ginger and whatever you want to add. Okay, if you want to add molasses, you add, you grind. Okay, so now I've poured it into the pot and then I'm stirring it. It will soon come to a boil. Okay, I cover it for a moment, but you don't go far. Remember, soya beans do foam when it's boiling. Now in the meantime, this is my Dambun Fura. I'm opening it up so that it will get cool. Okay, you can see the texture, you can see how loose it is, and you can see the texture when it's done. It's quite okay, very soft, and it's nice when you eat it up. You can see very loose and very nice. Oh, I can't wait to take this. So now we come back and we stir our soya beans milk on fire, our soya and tiger nut milk. If you want, you can add a dash of granite inside. All it depends on you. If you want, you can take this with Greek yogurt, you can take it with your sour yogurt, you can take it with milk, Hollandia, or your pig milk, whatever, powdered milk, however you want it. This is my own choice because I want a very healthy choice. Okay, so now it is cooking and this is done. Meanwhile, this thing is very good for people that want to slim down, people that are on a diet, people that are diabetic, people that want to live a healthy life. They don't want to, you know the kind of foods we eat these days, contaminants, preservatives and all that. You don't want that. This is a good choice. Okay, so now you know it's done when the foam has reduced. It is no more foaming too much. You can see it is quite done. You can see from the color and the texture. You now pour your milk into your cup or into your bowl. Okay, and remember, oh, this is the best part. Remember, I told you can serve this with thick fermented yogurt or fermented milk. That is your no-no. Okay, then pour in your fluffy Dambun. You know, it will look like couscous, grainy, fluffy. You pour it in. If you feel it's too thick, you add in more of your yogurt or more of your milk, your no, okay? You can spice this up with diced coconut, dried coconut, granules, you know, whatever you feel that will please you. You know, it's your choice, it's your taste. Now for me, I'm adding more powdered milk to give it a more creamy taste. Okay, me that said I want to do a healthy living longer, to not allow me. I'm adding milk, I'm adding milk. You can decide not to add, okay? Even if you're using no, you can decide to add, but whatever, let's just skip that part. So now you can see how it looks so beautiful. You know where this is going to now? To my mouth. If it's too thick for you, you can loosen it. I am Zesta Herbal Soap Skincare and Lifestyle, and I love you all. Ciao.